This 2024 Grand Design Momentum 381 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 45 feet 6 inches in length and features a Dusk interior, sleeps 7, microwave, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, air conditioning, TV, external shower, slide-out, awning, skylight, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum 381 Mega Siemens is 15,800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.